This 2020 Venture RV Sonic SN220 VRB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Venture RV is 26 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, DVD player, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, external shower, refrigerator, leveling jacks, slide out, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Venture RV Sonic SN220 VRB is 4,640 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.